Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you guys a simple way to log in into your Hinge account. Whether you're a first time user or just coming back after a break, we'll go through the steps together to make sure you're all set. So let's dive right in. Step 1. Open the Hinge app on your mobile phone. Once you tap, the app will open and you'll be directed to the login screen. Hinge offers a few ways to log in. You can use your phone number or log in with Facebook or with your mobile number. Choose the one you used when you created your account. For phone number login, type in your phone number and hit continue. Hinge will send a verification code, so make sure you have your messages open. If you're logging in with Facebook, just tap the option and follow the prompts to connect your Facebook account to Hinge. And there you have it. You're all set to log into Hinge. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to comment down below if there is anything else I can help you guys with. Thank you for watching and I'll see you guys next time.